We're in the airplane right now, and I'm gonna take a video because Joanna said it's okay as long as it's in airplane mode. I probably won't send this till later though, because there's no Wi-Fi. I remember I want to show you how cool. Oh look, me and John just took a Polaroid. I'm gonna show you the cool stuff I was talking about. So there's like this hanger thing right here. You can hang your coat. And then there's a TV screen. And then this is the controller thing I wanted to talk to you about. Or I was talking about. And then you just pop it, like take it out. And then there's this side and there's this side. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but like you can do movies. Yeah, there's like movies you can watch. And then there's also the games. Or is it? Sorry, I'm looking at the camera. And then there's like games here. Why can I close this? But yeah, I don't know if that's what airplanes usually have, or if you rode on a plane like that. But yeah, it's new to me, so it's really cool. Yeah. So it's time for this is breakfast, right? It's breakfast again for the second time. And this is what we got. I hope this is good. Done rambling. Yeah. Tofu. Yeah. I love tofu. Oh no, we're fine. Thank you. And yeah. The choices were beef or omelet, and we already ate omelet on the other flight, so we're trying out beef this time. Yo, yeah. This looks so good. Is this tofu? So time to eat. And make sure you eat. So they said that we're going through turbulence right now. It's not that scary.
It didn't even happen yet.
Oh, really? Not even scary. Oh, but this is Joanna. She's playing Pac-Man and she's losing. And I predicted it because I'm a psychic.
My ass. I don't believe in those things.
Yep. We just landed.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It sounds so scary.
At least we're here. I'm so happy we're here.
We're like really tired. Yeah. Oh.
That's how bad it is.
Yep.
Yes, we're here. We're here. Right here, baby. Payday, payday.
This is Philippines. Traffic is really scary. It's super close of you.